Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect scrambled eggs. But we're going to kick it up a notch. Today we're going to make it with DeSaulnier flame roasted Kansas City smoky caramel streaky bacon. First things first, I've picked up some delicious Perfection Fresh mushrooms. And all I'm going to do here is remove these tops, but don't throw them out. You can use them in additional things. You could slice these, put them through stir fries. Stir fries happen in my house at least once or twice a week. Don't throw them out, use them. So do be mindful of your wastage, guys. Well, you know the saying that 1/5 of the shopping bags that you buy gets thrown out. Now that equates to $3,800 a year that you're losing in wasting good product that somebody could be eating. So what we're going to do is fill our Perfection Fresh portobello mushrooms with a knob of rich creamy Devondale butter. We're going to take a little bit of fresh rosemary. If you didn't have rosemary, you could use thyme. You could use chopped parsley, oregano, basil, but I suggest rosemary. You could actually grow your own rosemary if you wanted. I have it in the corner all the time. But you could just tie this, hang it upside down. It dries out really beautifully. Don't waste it. It's such a wonderful, delicious herb. Put the rosemary straight on top, and then we take some sea salt flakes, a little bit of cracked black or white pepper. Put the mushrooms on a tray with your DeSaulnier flame roasted Kansas City smoky caramel streaky bacon. Put that into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then when it comes out, the bacon's gone all caramel, crispy on the outside, butter's melted, rosemary's permeated. This dish really is all about the scrambled eggs. We need a little bit of heat. Get your pan nice and hot. So to scramble your eggs, take a couple of eggs, crack them. You're gonna add a splash of oil, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. Now we're just going to beat the eggs. So I prefer to use a fork. I just find it doesn't overwork the egg whites. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Devondale butter. We wait till that melts. Eggs go straight in. Now I like to work relatively quick, so I pull the eggs back, turn the heat off. I'm going to add another little knob of butter and just work that in. Now to serve, just slide your eggs out. I'm going to add a couple of pieces of toast. We'll cut them quite fancily. Tricks of the trade, we'll grab one of these mushrooms that sits there, a couple of pieces of bacon. Growing up as a kid, tomato sauce or barbecue sauce was always served on the side of the plate, so thank you very much, 3 threes. You know this is going to be next level. There are way too many Aussies going without a meal. You need to donate to Ozharvest. Why? For every $1 that you donate, you can connect one person to 2 meals. I'm here for hope.